communication is the single biggest driver of success and happiness in life. As a national CBS News anchor, I could see the incredible impact that messages have to debilitate or motivate, to paralyze or energize. Our communication, what we say to others, how we interpret messages from the world around us, and most importantly, what we tell ourselves, is the most powerful tool that we possess to help us and those around us achieve anything we want in life. Based on the latest scientific research in positive psychology and neuroscience, and the training that I received as a national news anchor in a high-pressure environment, I've developed techniques that help executives get the most out of themselves and their team. We focus on how to find your lead to drive success, make small but impactful verbal and nonverbal changes to your leadership style, retrain your brain to better capitalize on current resources and pounce on possibilities, harness the pivotal moment to create large-scale positive change, and uncover valuable facts, find the full story, and recraft your message. All of these techniques can boost employee engagement, satisfaction, and productivity, which leads to a better bottom line. Positive communication in our minds and with our teams and in the world around us is the change agent that has the power to impact our companies and our lives.